Hey everyone, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing another look using the Colourpop Blue Moon palette. I do have another video using this palette where I did some swatches as well, so if you'd like to see that, I'll link it somewhere in the cards. Anyways, let's get started. I will say I did was just holding up my palette and the blue shade just fell out, the fine china shade. I did put it back in and it's not broken or anything, but just thought I'd let you know that. Anyways, I'm going to start by taking the shade Starry Eyed, and I'm going to put that into the crease. And I have already primed my eyelids. This color is super pigmented. Barely needed anything to do that. I'm going to be doing a halo eye, so I'm going to take the shade Fine China and put that into the outer corner and inner corner. I am getting some fallout from the shade, but it is pretty pigmented. And since it works pretty well, it doesn't quite bother me a whole lot. But I am going to have to clean that up afterwards, that's for sure. I am also going to blend that shade a little bit into the crease. I'm going to take my original brush and just blend a little bit in the crease here. To deepen this up more, I'm taking some of the shade Clued In. Kind of repeating the same steps as before. A little bit into the crease and then in the inner and outer corners. I'll add another layer of that and then be right back. For the middle of the lid, I'm going to be taking the shade Tide Pool on my finger and putting this all over. And I did already clean up under the eyes. I'm just adding a bit more of Clued In on the inner and outer corner. I have to say, I wish this Clued In shade was a bit deeper and not quite so patchy. But anyways, I am going to add a bit of the shade Lumi just to brighten it up even more. Next, I'm going to put the shade Clued In on the lower lash line. I'm going to take the shade Lumi as my inner corner highlight. Then I will go clean up under the eyes and be back. And the last step, of course, is to apply mascara. Today I'm using the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect one. I will apply the upper lash line mascara and then I will do the lower lash line off camera and be back. So here is the finished look. I am pretty happy with how this look turned out. It's definitely very bold and I haven't really done a lot of halo eyes. Definitely still need to work on those, but I hope you enjoyed the video. If you would like to see more eyeshadow tutorials or nail videos, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!